course is really different probably than most other courses that are in Edinburgh, probably all other courses that are in Edinburgh, just because there is such a more holistic approach to yoga, and it's not something that we get to see a lot in the UK, and I think it's just really special that they came all the way from India just to kind of share this knowledge with us that we wouldn't get here, and that I think you've got to take advantage of it while they're here.
Yeah, and I think especially here in Edinburgh, the UK, there's a focus on sort of the physical aspects of yoga. So this course was really good in sort of broadening our horizons, really learning about the philosophy of yoga as well and the history of it, and not just the asana, the practice that goes with it, but also everything that surrounds it and how to incorporate yoga in our lives. So it was a really valuable experience.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend this course to everyone who's out there, because it's been an amazing experience, and it's everything what I ever wanted really in a yoga course. Like, you learn about philosophy, Ayurveda, the postures, breathing, shartkriyas, so everything, and then you can use all this knowledge when you are teaching, so that's going to make you special as a teacher as well.
Yeah.
And I think Madhura and Jose, they're so knowledgeable as teachers and so good at sharing their knowledge with us and really instructing us in a really practical way, and so they've been amazing teachers as well.
Yeah, and just like the constant sharing of knowledge has really been incredible, and it can feel intense, but it's all worth it at the end.
Yeah, and you can just feel that what they teach is actually, I think, how they live, definitely. So they set such a good example for all of us, how to work hard.
Yeah, and how to live yoga, not just practice yoga.
Yeah.